Has a customer ever asked you a question that you didn't know the answer to and you had to say, "I don't know," to them? Not knowing the answer to a question is okay, but to go above and beyond for your customer, you could finish that "I don't know" by saying you will help find out the answer to their question. For example, if an electrician comes into your store and asks where to find the product they're looking for, and you're not sure where it is, you can say, "I don't know where that product is, but I'm happy to help you find it. Let's look for it together." Telling the customer you can help find the product they're looking for instead of saying, "I don't know," will build their trust in you and make their time in your store happier. We should always try to go the extra mile to ensure our customers feel valued and supported, because exceptional service is our promise, and it's what keeps our customers coming back time and time again. Give it a go, instead of just saying, "I don't know." Be sure to add, "but I'll find out." Try to avoid saying, "I don't know." Instead, work with your customer to find the answer. Put in the extra effort to make your customers happy and build their trust.